Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this installment, we have the Ultimate Toolkit. This is the best toolkit I use all the time to fix everything. The other tools I show you are just not really used, I just make it up. But this is the actual Ultimate Toolkit. I'm going to start off with these calipers. They are super accurate, within 1mm or 1 human hair, so they say, length. Super brilliant. You can measure basically anything with these, even an atom. Then we have this right angle square. This will make anything square. That's a pretty good little tool. What else do we have? This saw. I can cut through wood, metal, plastic. 2 seconds flat, just and you're done. Absolutely amazing thing. You have to be careful, it's very sharp. I've just nicked myself. And then we have Thor's hammer. Now this thing hits like a train, like one general tap. I would demonstrate on the desk, but you could break the desk. Any stubborn or stuck fasteners or any nails, one little tap, and it will smack them in, and they won't be coming back out. Let's use the claw on this end, which is brilliant, absolutely great. Feels great in the hand too. Let me very gently pop this down so I don't cause any damage. Very carefully. So powerful, it has to be contained inside the special toolbox. You can handle the damage of this stuff flipping around and sliding around. Now we have this super powerful multi-impact driver and drill. Rated up to 900mm. It may seem really slow there. This is moving at 59,000 RPM. And yeah, it's faster than the flash basically. It's an adjustable thing. You can go forward and backwards. They've taken 107 fasteners. The 2 megaton of newton-meters they can produce is absolutely amazing. It also has a little light. In a dark room, can be bright in the sun. I have a pair of pliers, and these are super strong gripping pliers. You can basically take a bolt out without the any spanners or anything. But as you can see, they grip super tight and literally cannot even move it. They're amazing. You can also cut wire, steel, basically anything with these. Got these really nice comfort grip handles on them. You really can't go wrong with these. What else do we have in the kit? We have a nice spirit level, making sure everything's level. Again, it's super great. Basically get anything you want level. I swear, let me just adjust the camera slightly. Yeah, so literally anything you want leveled and squared. This is absolutely brilliant. I mean, it can make stuff level that you couldn't know you could get level. What else do we have? Ah yes, this amazing multi-purpose ratchet. Now it's got forward and back as you'd expect. Really fine tooth, I believe it's 9,000 tooth. Got a really firm grip. It's got a 2-degree arc swing. So literally you can tighten up any bolts anywhere. It has this amazing adjustable end that will adjust to any size fastener that you put it on. So it goes from 1mm all the way up to 177mm. Weird size I know, but still, and able to each one inside. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. And again, this lovely comfort grip handle. Can break loose any fastener. You don't even need to use this half the time, you just literally use that. You have to do be careful, it can break off certain fasteners. Then we have the screwdriver, again, really cool, it's got interchangeable bits. So you know, very good. And like I said, got a flathead. What else do we have in here? Oh yes, we have an adjustable wrench. Yeah, the screwdriver is pretty cool, I'll talk about the wrench in a moment. What other bits do we have for the screwdriver here? Oh, we have a special bolt for demonstration purposes. Now these are super tight, let me grab my adjustables. And these are super great, we can adjust to vertically any size. Yeah. These are special demonstration screws. I can't really show you something a normal screw because it's too powerful and too quick. These are super tight. That, believe it or not, was down to 800 newton meters. So pretty tight. What other amazing tools do we have in here? Well, yes, as I said, you have another spare screw, but you can swap out the screwdriver bit for a drill bit. And you just hand drill holes. You don't need to use the drill, literally just hand drill any holes you come across, which is pretty amazing. Let's snap out the screwdriver handle. We have some other bits and bobs in here. These are all ultra amazing. These ones work with the drill. So with the drill here, the impact driver, whatever you want to call it, we have the same head as we have on the ratchet. So a super adjustable 1 mil up to 177 mils, which is pretty awesome. You don't need to do anything, and as I said, it moves really fast. You just look slow on my camera because my camera's not fast enough to pick up how fast it's actually moving. It also has a removable battery, which is pretty cool. And yeah, the final piece of this lovely toolkit is this lovely little multi-tool. So it has a spanner, again adjustable, all the way up to any size really. I realised I haven't spoke about this adjustable spanner. I'll come back to it in just a second. So we've got a adjustable spanner here with the same size. And a little screwdriver blade, again very handy for those tight spots. Carry this in my pocket every day. It's amazing, I can fix cars in like 10 seconds flat with it. And we also have a little file and other bits in here. But yeah, little saw. Again, just as sharp as this one. Cut through virtually anything. Concrete, titanium, whatever you can think of. I'm pretty certain this could cut through the sun. Be careful, it is very sharp. And yeah, that's another amazing tool. And finally, we'll finish on this little adjustable spanner. We can adjust again to any size. It also has a base here for a bolt. That's pretty good. And I can't see any better than this. This is a 5 spanner tool. The spanner will pop up here as always. I don't even need to move into my final thoughts. Thank you for watching and happy April Fool's Day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps both the channel and me out. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I post 2 videos a week, so by subscribing, you'll never miss a thing. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop a comment down below, and I'll do my best to reply to everyone. Here at Dobby Repairs, we're all about helping you learn how to work on your vehicle safely and showing you don't need to spend a fortune on tools to get the job done. Want to support the channel further? Become a member, starting at just 99p. Members get perks like early access to videos and more exclusive content. Keep fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.